The correct mixing ratio for Bifen or Talik when preparing a do-it-yourself pest control spray is 1.5 ounces of product per 1 gallon of water. For a precise and effective application, measure 1.5 ounces with a dedicated liquid measuring tool and add it to 1 gallon of clean water in a labeled container. Mix thoroughly by inverting or stirring until the product is fully dispersed, and maintain agitation if using a tank sprayer to prevent settling. Apply at the labeled rate to targeted areas only, and avoid broadcast spraying onto non-target vegetation or water bodies to reduce off-target harm. Wear chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and long sleeves when handling and spraying, and follow any additional personal protective equipment listed on the product label. Calibrate your sprayer by determining how many gallons it delivers per minute or per sweep, so you can calculate coverage and avoid under-application or excessive overlaps. Store leftover diluted material only as allowed by the label, and never combine different pesticides in the same tank unless the product labels explicitly permit tank mixing. Common mistakes include guessing the dose rather than measuring, which leads to reduced control or unnecessary environmental exposure, so always use an accurate measuring cup or syringe and follow the 1.5 ounces per gallon guideline. Another frequent error is poor sprayer calibration that causes uneven coverage, so test spray a measured area, time the application, and adjust output until you can predict coverage precisely. A third issue is applying in windy or rainy conditions, which reduces effectiveness and increases drift, so select calm, dry periods and hold the nozzle low and close to the target surface. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide resources on projects and products relevant to pest control, so our community can share experiences and practical tips. We also help contractors find work through project leads and a discussion community where both homeowners and professionals exchange advice and recommendations.